So the one thing that fixed my composition problem isn't in my camera bag. It's actually in my pocket. And I just came back from a recent trip to the desert, and I wanted to actually see if this theory held up. So here's what happened. So composition is the one thing that nobody really teaches you past the basics. So yeah, you learn about rules of thirds, you learn about leading lines, all that stuff you can learn at a weekend. But knowing those rules and actually applying those rules in the field, that's what's important. So I fall into the same trap almost every time. When I get to a spot, I drop the tripod, I set it at waist level, and I start to shoot whatever is in front of me. That's not composing, that's just documenting what's in front of me. So now I'm doing something totally different. Before I even pull my camera out of the bag, I pull my phone out and I use it to walk the scene. I frame it up on the screen, high, low, off to one side, testing 2 or 3 angles before even committing to anything. And what actually surprised me is that the phone makes you think in terms of a puzzle and instead of a picture. What I actually love about this scene, what I like about that ridgeline, what I like about the way the light is hitting that water. Once I know those 2 or 3 things that I love in the photo, I'm really not composing anymore. I'm just fitting all those pieces together. So here's the part I catch myself on every time, is I default to waist level because it's comfortable, it's fast. I just plop the camera right down and frame the shot. And that's where I got away from doing that and started using the phone, because the phone actually allows me to compose better without having to work with the tripod. And then once I actually have the shot that I want, I can simply just take the tripod over there and mimic it and get the same shot again. Okay, so just a quick walkthrough in Lightroom. This crop isn't by accident. It's the same puzzle pieces I picked out of the phone, just refined. I'm using a Luminance Range mask to pull back some of the shadow detail here and keeping that vibrance in check. I never push past 15 on saturation. It isn't about rescuing a bad composition in post. If the pieces weren't right out in the field, no mask is going to fix that. Okay, so here's a waist level shot that's really not a bad photo. It's just not interesting. The other shot, the one I found by walking the scene first, is the one I'd actually print. The habit isn't the phone. The habit is refusing to shoot from the first spot that I happen to be standing in. So this isn't a scientific comparison, and there's no pixel peeping here. This is just my own field observations for what they're worth. So I think the really important thing to do here is just, when you go out and you're setting your shot up, before you get that tripod out, before you get that camera out, just walk around with your phone. Try to visualize this scene ahead of time. Pick out the pieces that you're using in your puzzle and then put that shot together, and then get your camera out and actually, take that shot. So if you thought this video was useful, subscribe. I try to put a new video out every week. Sorry about my messy studio back here. And if you catch yourself doing some of this waist level thing like I do, tell me in the comments. I like to read them. Thanks.